I identified really, I think from my perspective, two areas that were obvious for this type of technology early
Mm,
on. One was consumer identity,
mm,
and how that could have an impact in the humanitarian space.
yeah.
Excuse me. And the other was, what does a supply chain look like, and how do supply chains touch the developing world, and therefore what could we do from a decentralized technology perspective to enhance the you know what's going on, not just from an enterprise perspective, but also from a contractor and a worker perspective, in the very far upstream of the supply chain.
Yeah.
And so those two areas really were, in fact, I wrote about both of those in 2016, 2017, because I think they were quite obvious, right, for this technical approach. And that really began the journey of Microsoft's work, along with others in the identity team, to understand that there's something remarkable about using a distributed public key infrastructure that's not owned by any institution or individual, to actually be a root of trust.
Mm,
Microsoft Identity Team, which is an entire engineering team that's focused on all of our identity products, right, including Active Directory and authorization services and Windows Hello and everything that you see from a Microsoft multi-factor sign-on capability exists within the context of the identity engineering group. And so, that's where basically the identity work was landed, and really stewarded within that group, through product release cycles.